is me and my friend, Mr. Zach Brown, and what we're doing today is shooting for this HDMI cable. And the closest to the center, or best grouping, whichever it may be the proud owner of this HDMI cable. All right, buddy, whenever you're ready.
Which target you shoot, top or bottom?
Which one you want?
It don't matter.
You pick. The company can pick.
It don't matter.
I'll take the bottom then.
All right.
You ready? Just go when you're ready, man. Oh, I hit the ground. Last round too. Clear, I think. I'm not sure. It's still. Yeah, it's clear.
Not bad.
It's because it ain't been old in a while. All right. You didn't have another clip for that one, did you?
No, I got one clip. I believe I was shooting your target.
I don't think so.
I think I was.
All right, here we go.
I had to be shooting your target.
No, I hit all those.
Yeah, right.
I did. As you can see, Zach performed poorly in this episode, so we're going to have a round two.
We got to have a round two.
We got to have a round two.
So
I'll shoot in round two. I'll go when you're ready, man. Because it ain't been old in a while. Alright? You didn't have another clip for that one, did you?
No, I got one clip. I believe I was shooting your target.
I don't think so.
I think I was.
Alright, here we go.
I had to be shooting your target.
No, I hit all those.
Yeah, I did.
As you can see, Zach performed poorly in this episode, so we're going to have a round two.
We got to have a round two.
We got to have a round two.
So
I'll shoot, in round two, I'll shoot the, not unless you'd rather stay with the 40.
No, you can shoot the Glock.
Alright, this is round two, and me and Zach have switched pistols. I now have the Glock compact, and he has the Beretta. And let's go again. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You gonna put your glasses on? Got to be safe, man. Alright.
I thought you were shooting at the bottom.
I am. Did I hit yours?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, watch this. Where'd that go? That's on my target. Yep, I see it. Watch this. Now you shoot. Alright, shoot again. Oh, you jammed. You got to hold that thing. We'll put some oil on in a minute. You just ruined the stand, but that's okay. It's safe. You ain't not hitting your target. Where'd it go? Was that a dead round or a live round? Right here. Alright, just put that over. Alright, let's just continue. I think I'm on mine and you on yours, right?
Yeah.
I'm hitting high, but I'm hitting high on the top. See them?
I'm hitting low.
I'm clear. Alright. Look at all that dust we blew up. Zach, it is apparent to me that your firearm proficiency is really lacking. Round 2, still more of the same. Even though my groupings were insufficient, it was a new gun. But the guns did perform well, other than the jamming. But that is, we need a little oil on that thing. A little Remington gun oil. And I'm going to alleviate that right now. Alright, let's just continue. I think I'm on mine and you on yours, right? Yeah. Look at all that dust we blew up. Zach, it is apparent to me that your firearm proficiency is really lacking. Round 2, still more of the same. Even though my groupings were insufficient, but the guns did perform well, other than the jamming. But that is, we need a little oil in that. A little Remington gun oil, and I'm going to alleviate that right now. Well, you don't practice. You don't practice. But let me tell you how let me tell you where I'm hitting, what I'm doing.